Funded by the European Union's 7th Framework Programme, the Horsegene project united the efforts of multiple European research groups that have been working independently on the genetics of disease in horses for many years. Using reliable state-of-the-art genomic technologies, researchers from Sweden, Belgium, the Netherlands and the United Kingdom set out to identify genetic markers for heritable diseases in horses. With the help of several equine associations, laboratories, stud books and stud farms, 3 diseases were targeted: insect bite hypersensitivity, osteochondrosis, and chronic progressive lymphedema.
The strength of this project is that you bring everything together and that you have this consortium of different scientists and they all look from a different point of view to the same problem, and that way you come to insights in the diseases that we would never have had if we would have continued on our own.
We learn from each other. We also learn from the practice, so that's also good in this whole consortium.
And I think one of the things that's come out of the project for me is really understanding that we can't work as many small groups. It's particularly in the horse industry, it's important that people get together and work together and make the best use of the data that we're generating. It's obviously an expensive exercise in generating this kind of data. And I think this project's a really nice example of how groups can work together, and hopefully we'll take that forward with other groups worldwide.
So we're so close to the finish line, so we don't want to quit the race now. We're not at the goal yet, but we have created an important and valuable platform for moving further.
The outcomes of this research for the 3 diseases we're looking at will enable us to inform people how they can use this information to make their own decisions about horses they might want to breed or buy. In other words, if there are genetic markers where we can identify that certain sectors of the population are susceptible to these diseases, breeders can then decide how they deal with that information. And indeed, market demands might indicate that people select against using horses which are carriers for these conditions.
So if you as a horse breeder can sell a horse that is guaranteed free of it, which means that they will not develop the disorder, and so it will be good for animal welfare. That might give you an added value.